So I have here 23 pieces of shrimps. I am using Argentinian shrimps this time, but you can always use whatever shrimps you have available at home. This is roughly about 1.1 kilograms, and these are actually pretty huge. Look at these. See that? And now we are gonna marinate this with some lemon soda. I am actually using this one. I will be using Sprite since I don't have anything else at home. So let's get started. I am just gonna transfer my shrimps inside here. Now let's pour in our soda. So we have to let these marinate for about 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes will also do. I have here 5 garlic cloves. So you can either put more or less of this if you want to. But for me, I guess 6 cloves are enough. We are gonna peel and mince these garlic cloves. Okay, so this is good. So after 5 or 10 minutes of marinating, it depends on how much time you want to marinate your shrimps. We are gonna remove the shrimps from the marinade. So I put a strainer right here so I can separate the liquid from the shrimps. So set the marinade aside because we are gonna use this later. So I have here about 100 grams of unsalted butter, and we are gonna melt this in our heated pan in a very low heat. Make sure not to burn your butter. So once the butter is melted, we can now add our garlic. Saute the garlic until light brown. If you could only smell my kitchen right now. So good. But to those who don't like the smell of the garlic, never mind. Anyways, our garlic is now light brown in color, so we can now slowly add our shrimps. There you have it. You have to stir a little bit, and we have to switch our heat from low to medium heat. So let this simmer for like 2 to 4 minutes. Say whatever you want to say, but I am gonna add about 1/4 of a cup of white wine to my shrimps. I like adding white wine to this. So we have to simmer this for a few minutes, and we have to let the alcohol evaporate. So once the alcohol is evaporated, we can now add our lemon soda marinade. Yum! So let this simmer again for like 2 minutes. So now we are gonna add our salt and pepper. You have to taste it first before putting your salt so that you will know the amount of salt you have to put in it. You have to stir it. And aside from salt, I actually like adding oyster sauce. It just gives additional flavor. So I will be adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Okay, that's enough. And we have to stir this again. Now we have to let this simmer until the sauce reduced. The sauce has now reduced, and I won't let it reduce so much so that I still have some sauce to put on top of our shrimps later. Then now I am just gonna add some chopped parsley. I am using the dried ones. These are actually the frozen ones. But if you have the fresh ones at home, then much better. And if you doesn't have parsley at home, then you can just add some chopped green onions, or you can even leave it plain like this. See, I told you, these are frozen. I love putting parsley in everything I cook. So we are gonna stir it a little bit. This is looking so good, and my mouth is now watering, and I really just can't wait to eat. There you have it. We are now ready to plate our shrimps. And there you have it, guys, our fast and easy and so delicious garlic butter shrimp. Bon appetito!